You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, it's one single word. If you want to learn more vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. Let's hear the British English pronunciation first. Grandparents. Grand. This D is not really pronounced. It goes together with a P. Grandparents. Grandparents. The stress is on the first syllable. Now, the American English pronunciation in the US is similar as grandparents. Grandparents. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.